16 p 16 to the power of 4. Now, if you remember the rule, a m whole power n, we used to expand this as a m n, right?
Yeah.
So we're doing the same over here. But what I'm doing first is separating the coefficient and the variable. 16 to the power of 1 by 4 and p to the power of 16 whole power 1 by 4. Okay?
Okay.
So in order to remove this 1 by 4 power, we need to convert 16 into a number which has a power of 4. So that when you multiply 4 with 1 by 4, the power cancels out and it's just like number base. Okay?
Okay.
So 2 times 2 is what?
4.
4.
I mean, yeah.
Then 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And when we multiply 2 4 times, we get 16. So that's why you replace 16 with 2 to the power of 4, then whole power 4. In the second bracket, I multiply the power, so 16 times 1 by 4. Now 4 times 1 by 4 is 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 2p4 is your answer.
Okay, I get it now.
Sure? So once again, we're going to apply the same power rule, a raised to power m, whole bracket power n. So let's separate all the components. 3 to the power of 3 times p squared to the power of 3 times n raised to power 5 to the power of 3. Okay?
Okay.
So 3 cube is 27. What happens to p?
Oh, you P6.
p6 and m 15.
15.
So that's it. That's your answer.
Okay.
So the basic thing to do in this is to convert the numbers in the same base. We already have 3 in a prime number base. So the next thing to do is to convert 81. So is 81 divisible by 3?
Yeah.
Okay. So 81 times like what is 3? Like 3 times 1 gives us 81.
27.
27. So 27 times 3. Now is 27 divisible by 3?
Yeah.
What do we multiply to get 27?
9. 9 times
9
3.
times 3 times 3. Whole power. Now is 9 divisible by 3?
Yeah.
So instead of 9 we write 3 times 3, then the other two 3's. Correct? We've just converted 81 into its base, and the base is the same as the number that we already had. So 3 to the power of 4 whole power x equals to 3. And now what we do is, since we first multiply the power, so it's 4x, 3 to the power of 4x equals to 3. And since we have similar bases, we cancel out the bases and it becomes 4x equals to 1. Why 1? Because 3 has a power of 1. Okay? So then x.
I understood everything except then I didn't really understand like the second part.
Which second part?
Like on the like 3 4x equals 3 1.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. So look, over here I applied the a to the power of m whole power n formula. So amn. So we multiply the powers 4 and x, so it becomes 3 to the power of 4x. And any whole number which doesn't have a power written on top of it. What's the power for that?
0.
1.
1, 1.
If it was 0, then this would equal to 1. So keeping that in mind, the right hand side 3 has a power of 1, and the left hand side 3 has a power of 4x. Okay? So since we
Mm-hmm.
have similar bases, we just remove the bases and the power becomes the base. So then it becomes 4x equals to 1, x equals to 1 by 4. Is it clear now?
Yeah.